heart again, and I believe my eyes. Wanna soften the voice of a trusted friend. I need to humor me and tell me lies. Yeah, humor me and tell me lies. And I'll lie to and see I'm not mine. And as we seek, so shall we find. And when you meet it, oh, there's still be here. But now and after the free of fear, well, we'll see. But you and me, I still can't see this hopefully. But yeah, oh, you wanna give it a run around. It is your final way to speed things up. When all it does is sound me down. Yeah, shake me in my confidence about our great many things. But I've been there, I can see it happen. Like a nervous magician waiting in the wings of a bad play where the heroes are right. And know that it takes or expected much. Hollywood's calling for the movie rights, singing, baby, let's keep in touch. Hey, baby, let's keep in touch. Oh, I want you to reach me. I show me all the things no one else can see. So much I feel in mine as well. So real when I do, you need an able to tell us yours is mine. I think she's mine, and that's right. Just don't you give me mine. Oh, you wanna give it a run? Give it a short final way to speed things up. But all it does is shut out me down. something amiss. I've been into till my confession draws near to confuse the issue of reform. Merely hear us long ago. No matter how much Peter loved her, may the pain refuse to grow. Was that the hug brings you back? I am telling you no lie. The hug brings you back. Oh, and that you can realize. And then begin to see what you're doing. And to me, it's not what's great. So you're killing me. We all sing me of love. Sure, but I'm so rigid. And I can keep the feelings on the shelf. I tried. Yes, I lied. You weren't into suicide, but I got all the time and tried to hide. I tried. I'll do it on the sun and let it ride until I die. The only damn should I abide this time. It gets real too. I'll get rid of the cities. I love my clear balloons. I want to burn all of these cities to the ground. I found I will not look around and let that rain. And hey, I will want to hear what I say. I'm a prayer to pray. That's really all it's was. When feeling stuck in me a buck, I don't rely on love because